Yo guys, this is MorphFinz with an update on the 75 gallon, or I guess I'm introducing my 75 gallon. It's nothing too much, just my blood parrots. I ain't gonna lie, my blood parrot low. I got some unique blood parrots. My albino, this is the 75. This is a hybrid of a convict and a blood parrot. It looks like a convict though, but his mom's actually a pink convict. I mean, his dad is a pink convict. His mother's a blood parrot. It's none of these over here, of course. I got Cheeto over there in the background just doing his thing. I just fed him blood worms. Let's see what else. Let's see. Albino being itself. Poe. There. This albino, I gotta find a name for her. Still don't got a name for her, but let's see. Where's the other one at? Oh, there's Cheeto right there. There's Cheeto right here. Yeah, I got him at Petco. I normally wasn't gonna get him. I wasn't gonna get no more blood parrots, but I seen the unique marking. He got like the little red on the side of him, the little red texture on the side of his stomach and shit. And I thought it looked good. Different from a lot of blood parrots. I was like, oh yeah, you go with my albino right here. But she's just now getting into her orange phase. She used to be pearl white, nice and beautiful. Yeah. She's beautiful. She got like a pink, white, and orange. Ugh. Check her out, check her out.